Look, the harsh truth is this. If you're grinding away as a founder right now, you're not just trying to build a product or grow users. You're fighting for every dollar of value your startup can show. And intellectual property? It's either the secret weapon in that fight or the silent killer of your valuation. Many founders don't get this. They think IP is just lawyers' talk or patents locked away, but that's where the nightmare starts. If you don't own your technology, your ideas, your brand, the real stuff behind your business, you have no leverage. Zero. Your valuation? It tanks the moment someone else can replicate what you do. Or worse, claim they own it. You're feeling it, right? The panic when a big investor starts probing. The frustration when lawyers talk about intellectual property like it's some unreachable fortress. The gnawing fear that your hard work might get ripped off or dismissed because you didn't secure what counts. It's crushing. Watching your baby, your vision, reduced to nothing because you didn't lock this down. This is where dreams die. Let's cut the crap. The first step is to know exactly what counts as your IP. And this isn't limited to just patents. Think copyrights, trade secrets, trademarks, software code, customer data, proprietary processes. If it creates value, it's IP. Every contract, every NDA, every employee agreement, every single detail matters. If you don't have ironclad ownership on day one, you're building on quicksand. So stop hoping it'll sort itself out and act. But what really kills founders is not just missing the paperwork. It's undervaluing IP as a strategic asset. Investors don't just throw money at ideas. They look for barriers against competition, proof that what you have can't be copied overnight. Your IP is your moat. If it's weak or non-existent, your valuation crashes hard no matter how shiny your pitch deck is. Here's what to do. No fluff. Audit everything now. Get your founders to assign all IP they create to the company legally. Lock down employee and contractor agreements that clearly state ownership of work. Identify what's a trade secret and actually treat it like one. Limit access. No public disclosure. Apply for patents where it makes sense, but don't waste time chasing patents on stuff that won't hold in court or that can be easily designed around. Focus where it matters. Next, don't be blind to market perception. Investors want to see that you've thought about freedom to operate, meaning you're not stepping on someone else's IP. If you don't check this early, a lawsuit or even the threat of one can melt your valuation. Hire sharp IP counsel before any major raise. This is non-negotiable, and this one's often overlooked. Your IP strategy isn't just defensive. Use it offensively. If you have unique technology, make it a part of your story. Show how it blocks competitors, how it opens doors for partnerships or licensing. IP isn't just legal mumbo-jumbo. It's your bargaining chip, your signal that you're playing at a different level. All this might feel like a drag compared to coding features or chasing growth. But here's the brutal truth. Without a bulletproof IP foundation, you're building a castle on sand. Investors know it. Others will exploit it. And every moment lost fixing it is value slipping through your fingers. So here's the ruthless truth. You don't get to half-ass this. Get your IP game on or be ready to see your startups worth shredded. Lock the ownership down from day one. Build your IP moat aggressively. Use IP as your shield and sword. Protect your ideas as fiercely as you pitch your vision. That's how you control your startup's destiny. Not just survive, but win big. If this scares the hell out of you, good. It should. Fear is your fuel to fix this now. Because once you do, you're not just another startup chasing hype. You become a real player. A founder investors crave. And that's how you get the valuation and respect you deserve. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.